Deadlock's here again. Today I'm escaping from these Clejuso 11r's with the keys. Keyway is the wrong way. Because...
That just
What?
didn't. You just looked like a weirdo. I couldn't say what you were doing there. You just looked you like you were.
Keyway is
That's better.
All because Silent but Descriptive said it would be impossible, and I'd had a few whiskies and I said challenge accepted.
Because you can't let anything go.
And we'll use two tools, bobby pin and the extended pocket pick.
Look, this is his fanfare at the moment. Just watching him do what he needs to do. There you go, you big whinge. Wants all attention on him. There. I want to see how Tank reacts to Puppy. But I'm scared Puppy might try and eat Tank. Or Tank might try and eat Puppy. So, yeah. I'm just going to sit here and talk to myself.
Double lock's done.
Way to go. You can do it. Now he's got Bobby the bobby pin.
Oh, a very original name you have there.
All the Bobby's pins are called Bobby. We already had this discussion.
Did we?
Yes. Many, many times. Every time you use a bobby pin. You tired, Puppy? You playing with your new toy? You like your new toy? I'm going to have to buy more toys, I think. Just struggling away there. Honestly, the redness of your wrist, when you go back to work, people are going to think that I like just tie you up. Oh, you're done. Oh, that was good. That didn't take long at all.
It's not easy though, and as you can tell by my wrist, it kind of smarts a bit.
You look like honestly, it looks like people are going to accuse me of abusing you and tying you up with handcuffs while you're at home.
But yeah, you can thank Silent but Descriptive for saying that it would be impossible, and the Southampton Lockpicking Club for saying that it would be improbable. Well, that's all from us. See you next time.
No, I'm not going to say bye now.
Why?
So to get out of those, really, you need to be carrying a Parker pen that's modified.
No, you can modify that.
Oh,
in these
right,
cups,
okay.
But you don't say that until Sunday.
Right, okay, so you can modify the cut. But then you also need to have a Parker pen to hand and a bobby pin.
Yes.
We should test it out. When you've got your hands handcuffed, can you actually reach your hair where you would keep a bobby pin? No, because someone will be like, oh, yeah, you can. Okay.
I'm not going to do that.
No.
Any more questions?
No.
Are you happy that I escaped now?
I was happy you had escaped. I just wanted to ask you would need to have both a bobby pin and a Parker pen at the same time to escape.
I think theoretically it is possible to do it with the Parker pen or the bobby pin.
Mm-hmm.
It would just be harder.
Oh, fair enough.
But I've just shown possibility.
Okay. So you're not gonna do a satisfactory I did it, or whatever people do when they do something better than or what people say they can't do.
No.
Blatantly you're going to do it as soon as you're off camera, aren't you?
No.
Liar. I know you too well. Anyway,
Anyway, that's all from us. See you next time.
bye.